Hello, in this video guide I'm going to be passing us through how to make consistent income from this very company that have been in existence since 1895. Hakuhodo business was founded in 1895 and they have different sub businesses, and one of them is this 70,000 shops. It's like a marketing agency in which you can bring your product and they help you to rank it. They rank businesses. So all of these products we see that are being sold online shops, you will see some of them that they will have some ranks. You will see that 50 have been sold, 70 have been sold. You now see that those one that has ranking, that has number of sold, always come first. So that is exactly what these people are doing in this branch of their business. So they have a software in which can go into an online product and rank it. What they normally do is the software will try to buy the product, then ultimately it will be added to how many buys that product has gotten. So it will now be ranking the product in search engine. So that's exactly what this business model is all about. So what do? You deposit and use that money, because it has to be real. Use that money to buy. So as the money will be coming by, I'm going to do the practical here, live practical. Money will be coming by, it's going to be coming by with commission, because all of this product, all of this company that want their product to be ranked so that they can be sold more, because the product that are ranked have been discovered that they sell more. So the company that has these products always come to Hakuhodo, come to them to give them money to help them rank. It's just like what normal company do to Google. They go to Google, they will pay what we call AdWord. They will pay buy AdWord, then Google will help them rank their product. So the same thing these people are doing. So you just see the number are really ranked. So after one has registered, then you choose which of the package you want to. The package starts with $30. So there is a percentage of your money you get every day. Immediately you do the transaction. There is a transaction you do on their platform, which I'm going to do live. So when you do that, you just see that the money will be increasing. There is a number you do every day. The money will be increasing every day. Then it also depends on your package. If you do like $100 package, there is a percentage of your money that will first be given you. In fact, as you first register, you will first be given $9. That $9 is completely free to you. Then as you now deposit, if you deposit $100 and above, you also still have a percentage on it that will be given to you. Then you will now need to now do the trading. As you are doing the trading, there is a percentage of your money that's in as commission that comes to you. So let me just use this one as an example. This is the balance that this account is having for now. Then this is the commission for the day. This is the trade that has happened, and this is like cancel trade. There is no cancel trade. This is the commission that this person is receiving from the downlines, the people he has invited. So this business, if you want to make it heavily, want to see your money multiply, just ensure that you introduce it to people. As you introduce it to people will just be using. And this is not proposing scheme. This is a solid company. You can go and Google Hakuhodo in Google. You will see them, you see their Facebook, you see their site. They are very big and they have been long. So these are not posing scale or what to. So you can sit down here and build network and you make a lot of money. This person is making 9.1 every day 9.1 as commission from people that he has introduced, that are coming in, and he's making 11.3 as his own commission every day. Imagine what he's now making per day is 11.3 plus 9.1. This one will be added, which is around 20.4, will be added to the to the available balance against the next day. So what is going to be having next day will now be this plus this 11.3 plus 9.6, then added to the balance it's having before. So ultimately that is what it's going to use. It's just like compounding, what is going to use the next day. So this account is around $100 when it starts. Look at what it has become. So this is his yesterday. See, this is yesterday commission. So what it had yesterday is this. So and today's one is 11 point. So that is how the money will be building. And as you are introducing people, you start saying you'll be getting more, because as you introduce people, whatsoever the transaction they are doing, the commission they are making, the first generation you make 16%, the second generation you make 8%, the third generation you make 2%. So you are making money while you don't even know those, you might not even know those people. As they are doing their own, they are adding. That's how this person is getting 9.1 here. So it's a very, very good business. You just want to do it, you can withdraw your money, you can build more, you can continue to build it and build it and build it. Before you know it, this person is now making like $20 per day. Imagine. So after you have registered, you pick a package, then you will now go. Let me just show you how to now do everything. I'm going to use this small account. To tell you how it's. I'm going to use this small account to show us what in practical form, what one will be doing every day. So when you come to your account like this, you click on this grab here. Click on grab below here. Then you click on grab. It to load. Then you click on automatic grab. So look at this account, this small account. You click on automatic grab. So when you click on automatic grab, this one will load. So when it loads, then you click on so this one will come up like this. So you see, if you see what this interface, you will see that we are buying this thing. We are buying this makeup powder blush. We are buying it. So it is being sold for 11.98, and the commission this account is making is 0.19. So ultimately what will be coming down, 11.98 will be taken from this account, and it will be dropping back 12.19. So you just click on it, submit. So you see that one has been submitted. So you see the commission is now 1.9. This is the commission this account just made now. It's 0.1. So you are going to do this 5 times. So 5 times. I'm going to do this 5 times. You click on automatic. You don't need to click on grab again. Click on automatic. It will load again. This is the second time. Load it again. So it will pick a product. After picking the product, then here you see it's the same product is picked. Okay, it's another product with the same money. So you submit it. When you submit it, you could see that this percentage is changing, the commission is changing. Then you go again the third time. So this happen 5-6 times. So third time, then it will bring up again. So you see this one is different, 14.98. So the commission is a little more, 0.23. So the commission you make be determined by the amount of money you put. If you put like $1,000, you will see what you will be making per day. And this is a real business, business that are not Ponzi scheme. So this, so you see what is becoming now. Then let's do the fourth one. To pick it again, this is a software that is helping to rank this product. You to pick the product and it will buy it as if one is buying originally. So definitely it will increase the number of buy on that product, on the online site. So definitely when people now see that the people have been buying this product, definitely this product is good, they will to go and buy. So ultimately now helping the product owner, because the product owner has paid these people out of what they have been paid and the commission we are receiving. So because this thing we need to deposit, because this operation have to be natural. Money must be used to go and buy that thing and commission coming back to us. So this is the last one. Good. Submit. So ultimately this account was able to make, with this account with it, was able to make $0.97 today. $0.97 today. So that is how it see. This is what it will make yesterday. 0.95. It now make 0.97. So that is it. So this business is a cool one. It's what you see what we are doing here is what you do in 2 minutes. That is what you'll be doing every day. Just simple tasks you need to just do. After doing that, another day you come and do that. Then you share this opportunity to people. That is where the real money is. When you share the opportunity to people and people start coming, you will start seeing a lot of referral bonus that will be coming even into your account. Then ultimately that will be added to the available balance, and then the second day when you roll it, you start seeing the money increasing. So at any time you can withdraw, and and you can even add more money to it. That is just it. So it is a cool business. Click get the referral link, and register through it. If it is, you can get the referral link from anybody that introduces this business to you, and just register through that referral link and join. Then choose any package you want to use, you want to register with. I would suggest that if you have money, just start from around $100 above. So but the minimum is 30. So you can start with even much money you quickly accumulate. But this is not a Ponzi scheme that you feel that it will go away. They have been around this. They started this part of their business 2017. This agency business, they started this 2017, but the bigger business started 1895. You can go and Google it so that you can have a rest of mind. You make cool money here. Thank you for watching.